Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of Yajamani POS system. So first of all you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen. So here this is the home screen. Here you can see all the details in a one web page, like details like here the total purchase and the total sales and the purchase due, invoice due and the expenses, and you can filter it by date and months and with the last 7 days and the year also. Okay, and here you can see a pictographical values of the last 30 days sales. Okay, and then here the current financial year sales, and then here the sales payment due, and here the purchase payment due, and here the product stock alert. Okay, and here the sales order, and here the pending shipments list. Okay, so this is the home screen, and here in this Yajamani POS system, you are not required to install any other softwares to access your business data. Okay, so all your business data has been will be available within this one page only, and you can simply go to whatever the column or option you want to go. So you can simply click on that and you can directly go to that particular option. You are not required to install any other softwares. Okay, and this Yajamani POS is a cloud service and it is hosted on the world renowned servers. So the downtime will be very minimum, and the data will be protected by the SSL security. So you are not required to worry about any data privacy of your business data and the downtime of the server. Okay, and one another important thing here is you can access your data from anywhere on the globe. As it is a cloud service, you can access your data from anywhere on the globe. Okay, so like some other our competitors are there, for them to access the business data, you have to go to that particular respected business location, and then you have to view all the business data from a particular computer where the software has been installed. But Yajamani POS has been available to you, so you can easily view from your mobile phone or a computer or a laptop from anywhere on the globe. Okay, and here these are all the main functions available in this Yajamani POS system. I will explain each one of them. So this is the home screen. You can view all the data in one go, and here the user management. So here you can allot the users who can use this Yajamani POS account for your particular business location, and you can assign the roles to that particular users. And here you can, from this sales commission agents, you can add a sales commission agents list. Okay, and here coming to the contacts, you can add the supplier contacts. Okay, supplier contacts here, if you go and click on here, so you can see all the data. So you can add all the supplier details here. Okay, and then in the similar way you can add the customer details, and you can categorize the customers into different groups like friends group, family group, and you can give discounts to particular groups. Okay, and here you can, if you are using this Yajamani POS system for the first time, you can import all the available contacts to your particular business location into this Yajamani POS account. Okay, in a one go. Okay, and then here the products. So here you can see for this supermarket there are many products will be available in a particular supermarket. So you can add n number of products. Okay, so you can add many products according to their business needs. So from here you can add all the details like product name, SKU, stock keeping unit. If you have any stock keeping unit, you can enter it here, or else leave it blank. The Yajamani POS will auto generate it. And one another important thing here is in the total Yajamani POS system, if you don't know any meaning of this word like alert quantity or SKU, you can simply place your cursor on this help icon. This is the help icon, and it will give a simple definition where you can read it and you can understand it, so that the business owner doesn't require any accountant to manage his business needs. Okay, and then here coming to this units, you can select the units here like grams or packets or kgs or pieces like that, and from here you can add the you can select the brands which are available at a particular business location, and here the category. So okay, which category does the product belong to, and here the alert quantity and the product images. You can add it here. And for the supermarket, the rack, row and the position are very important in order to recognize the product. So here you can add the particular rack, position and the row. Okay, and here the weight of the product. Okay, and here if you want to add any customized fields, here you can add it here, and here the tax details and the selling price including your margin percentage. Okay, and then here you can another option is available like print labels. So many products are there which doesn't have any barcode number. So the Yajamani POS has an option to print labels, okay, from your particular business location, and you can stick it to that product, and you can scan it while making a billing. Okay, and the variations, so if the products are having many variations, you can add them here. And if there are already there are many products available at your particular business location, so if you want to import all the products list, you can import the product list to this Yajamani POS account, and the product opening stock also. Okay, and here the selling price group. So if you want to add any selling price group like the retail sale or wholesale like that, so you can add it here. Okay, different sales are there, mainly the retail sale and the wholesale. And here the units, so if you want, you can add the units which are available according to that business needs. Okay, like grams, kgs, packets and pieces. And here the categories, so you can differentiate all the available products into different categories like accessories, books, electronics, jeans or sports, women's or wallets or belts like that. And here coming to this brands, here you can add different brands like Acer, Adidas, Apple, Barilla, Blowflex, Levi's, Oreo, like that. Okay, and here you can give the warranties also, like if it is any electronic product, you can give warranties also. Okay, and then coming to this purchases, here you can give the list of purchases, like from which customer or from which supplier you have purchased the items like that, so you can add it here. And you can see the purchase return also, you can make a list of the purchase return. So if there are any damages during this shipment or transportation like that, so you can make a purchase return and you can add it here also. Okay, and then coming to this sale, so here you can see all the sales data, like to which customer you have sold the items and all those things. Okay, and here the POS. So coming to this POS is designed in a way that the billing can be done within no time or less time. So here you can enter the customer name, okay, and here the product name or SKU, or you can scan the barcode also. And if the customer is a new one, so you can simply add it from here also. Okay, and if the product is a new product, so you can simply add it from here also. Okay, and here you can simply add from here, or else if you want to select from this option, so you can simply select from here, so that one product will be added. And if you want to increase the quantity, you can increase the quantity from here, or if you want, you can decrease it here. And if there are many products are there, so you can use these filters, all categories or brands, in order to simplified products and available at a particular business location. And here there are many options are available here. If you want, you can add an order tax, or if you want to give any discount, you can give a discount. And if you want to add any shipping charges, you can add it here. And here the draft is available, so the customer will get a draft of this requirements and the quotation also. And if you want to suspend it, you can suspend the sale. Okay, and here the credit sale is available. Credit sale means the giving amount to particular customer or supplier. Okay, as like a borrowing amount. And then here the card payments, so you can add it here. And here the multiple pay like GPay or phone pay like that, and here the cash payment is available. And here you can see the recent transactions here. Okay, so like this there are many options are available, so you can make the cashier can make a billing within no time or less time. Okay, and then coming back to this home screen, so here you can see all the you can add a draft also, and you can see that list of drafts, and the same goes to this quotation and the list of quotations, and the list of sale written. Okay, if there are any sales written, and the shipments, you can see the shipments details, and the discounts. If you want to give any discount, you can add a discount here to which product and which product from when to when. Okay, from here you can add the discount. Okay, and then if there are if you are using this Yajamani POS in the first time, so if you have already done many sales in that particular financial year. So you can import all the sales by using this option, import sales, within one go. Okay, so simply you have to place all your data in an Excel file and the template will be available. So you have to enter all the data according to the instructions given here. Okay, and another important option here is stock transfers. So if you have multiple business locations, or from you can have a list of stock transfers, like from warehouse to the particular business location, or from business location 1 to business location 2. So you can simply add a stock transfer from here, and if you want to have a list of stock transfers, so you can add it here. Okay, and the stock adjustment. So there, like in a supermarket, there will be many cases will be available, like a fire accident or short circuit, or product damages during shipments, or in transportation, like that, or mishandled by the salesperson, like that. So there are many situations are there, so that you can add a stock adjustment. So from here you can add a stock adjustment here, and here you can enter the total amount recovered, which will be added to your profit or loss report. Okay, and then here coming to the expenses. So here you can add the list of add expenses, and here you can view the expenses that are occurred at a particular business location. Okay, and here you can give the expense categories, like daily needs, or business location, or the employee salaries, like that. Okay, and here the reports. So one of the main important option available in this particular business Yajamani POS system is reports, because from these reports only the business owner can view or assess his business growing according at a particular business location. Okay, so here the profit or loss report. So the business owner can estimate how much profit he is getting by products, or by category, or by brand, or by location, or by invoice. So he can simply view how much profit he is getting from one invoice, particular invoice, or by particular date or day, or by profit by customer. Okay, so like that, profit or loss report, and the product purchase report. So which product you have purchased from which supplier, and all those things according with respect to this SKU number and the reference number with the date and all those things. And the sales representative report, and the salespersons who are working in a particular supermarket. And here the register report, the cash register report, and the expense report, the expenses occurred at a particular business location, and the cell payment report. So the cell payment report means the on which date the customer has paid, on how much amount he has paid, like that. The total details will be available here. The purchase payment report, like from which supplier the business owner have purchased with how many products, like how much payment he has done, like that. All these details will be available here. And here the product sell report. So how many products you have sold from a particular business location, like the same items report, purchase and sale report, trending products. So you can view which product is trending at a particular business location. Okay, with respect to the total units sold and the values. Okay, and the stock adjustment report, and the stock report, how much products are available at a particular business location, and the customer groups report with respect to the same supplier and customer report, and the tax report. Here you can see how much tax is applicable on the input tax on the same as the output, and the expenses also. Okay, and here activity log. So you can view all the activities done by the particular users. Okay, and here another important feature here is the notification templates. So from this you can send notifications to the particular supplier or the customer. So for a particular customer, you can send the notification like new sale, or payment received, or payment reminder, new booking, or new quotation. You can send notification through email or SMS and the WhatsApp text. Nowadays the WhatsApp marketing is a renowned way to market all your do the marketing. So the WhatsApp text has also been included in this Yajamani POS system. So in the same way, for the supplier also, new order, new payment paid, or items received, or items pending, you can send an email, SMS, or the WhatsApp. Okay, and coming to the settings here, here you have to adjust or configure all the settings according to your particular business needs, like from business settings, like a business name, or a currency, or the financial year, month, like that. The same will applies to tax numbers. Okay, and the same for product, contact, sale, POS, and the purchases, and the email settings and the SMS settings. So here you can adjust the configurations of this email APIs, and here the SMS APIs. Okay, and here the reward point settings. So one mode of attracting customers to your particular business location is the reward points. So here you can adjust the reward points, okay, like earning point settings and the redeem point settings, and the modules and the custom labels if you want to change, if you want to add any other customized label in a particular business, in a particular option. Okay, and the same goes to the business location. So here you can add a business location. Okay, so here the invoice settings and the barcode settings, and here the receipt printers. So from here the Yajamani POS is designed in a way that it will accept all types of printers, like the thermal printers also. Okay, and here the tax rates. So here you can add the tax rates of the available products at a particular business location. So here you can add the individual taxes, here all your tax rates, and here you can add the tax groups like the CGST and the SGST. Okay, so these are all the main and overview of the available options from this Yajamani POS system. So for each one, describing each option, separate videos and the manual is available. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.